Hey guys, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do a factory or a hard reset on your Sony XM3 headphones. So in order to perform the reset, what you're simply going to do is you're going to go ahead and find the two buttons that are located on the left side right here, and you're going to press and hold both of them together until this light flashes blue multiple times, and once it stops flashing and it's completely off, you can let go of the buttons, and that is how you have done a reset. So we're going to go ahead and press and hold both buttons for about 10 seconds or so. Once the flashing is over, go ahead, let go, and that is how you have factory or hard reset your Sony XM3 headphones.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.